Guess this pet.
Savannah's.
Yes. Guess this pet.
Leah's.
No.
Carson's.
Yes. Guess this pet.
Coulter's.
Yes. Guess this pet.
CJ's.
No.
Someone showed me this picture of their dog the other day. I think maybe. Where's it? It's not Abby's, is it?
No.
Kylie?
Yes.
Hmm.
Guess this pet.
CJ?
Yes. Guess this pet.
Emery's.
Yes. Guess this pet.
Kaylee's.
Yes. Guess this pet.
Abby's?
No. Oh, yes. Sorry. Yes. It's Abby's. Final one. Guess this pet.
Leah's.
Yes. Yeah. All right. Guess this pet. They're on that list.
CJ.
No.
Do I keep guessing until it's
Yeah.
Okay. Coulter.
No.
Kylie.
No.
Kaylee.
No.
Leah.
No.
Savannah.
Yes.
Oh man.
Guess this pet.
Carson.
Yes. First try. Guess this pet.
Ooh, Abby.
No. You're close.
Coulter.
Yes. Guess this pet.
Kylie.
Yes. Guess this pet.
CJ.
Yes. It's 2 in a row. Guess this pet.
Emery.
Yes. 3. Guess this pet.
Who haven't I used yet? I got
You have Abby, Leah, and Kaylee.
Kaylee.
Yes. Guess this pet.
Abby.
Yes.
Leah.
Yes. Thank you.
Woo!
Thank you, Mr. Robbie.
Get past the
Guess this pet.
Why does it look like this could be your pet?
It's not my pet.
Okay. Abby?
No.
Coulter?
No.
Leah?
No.
Savannah.
Yes.
Yay.
Guess this pet. It's
It's
very old. It's very scraggly.
I'm gonna guess this might be yours.
No.
Oh. Is it Carson's?
Yes. It's Carson's scraggly old dog.
That's Kaylee's.
That's ancient, actually.
That's Kaylee's pet.
No.
Really? Oh my gosh. Yours?
No.
Leah?
No.
Coulter's.
Yes.
Okay.
Guess this pet.
That's a dog, right?
Yes.
Okay. Just making sure. Does the dog have a name?
Maybe. Only maybe.
Is it yours?
No.
Oh. Savannah's.
No.
Leah's.
No.
Crap. Okay. Hold on, let me think. Is it Kylie's?
Yes.
Okay.
Guess this pet.
Is that Kaylee's?
No.
Really? Yours?
Yes. It's
All right.
It's my Mr. Mouse.
Mr. Mouse? He's adorable. That's my dog.
That is your dog.
That is my dog.
Guess this pet.
That's Kaylee's.
Yes.
Okay.
Final.
That's
Final.
Abby Ramsey's.
Yes. Final one.
Final one. Which one have I not said yet? Savannah's?
No.
Really?
Savannah's was the first one.
Oh, okay. I said Kaylee. Is it Leah's?
Yes, it's Leah's.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yep. Thank you.
What are you gonna be for Halloween?
I'm gonna be a freaking like zombie, and I'm gonna be dead, and I'm gonna be like, and I'm gonna be dead because it's Halloween, and I'm a zombie.